Here I have Motorola Moto E40, and today I'm going to show you how to customize camera watermark on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and then go to the watermark. So basically, in order to add your own custom name or signature, you have to firstly enable device watermark, and now you can add your custom text, your name, surname, nickname, whatever. So I'm just gonna enter HardReset.Info, and now let's try to make a photo with it. And as you can see, now I have this custom watermark here under my device watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.